Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Cardinal Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in cardinalfinancial.yourmortgageonline.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for Cardinal Mortgage. Now simply enter your username within the username box that you have set up while creating your account, and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Cardinal Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on the forgot username or the forgot password option underneath to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Cardinal Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.